Bitcoin had the golden cross printed yesterday, but today it has been a red candle for Bitcoin on the daily time frame. In this video, we are going to take a closer look as to what Bitcoin has done after every golden cross that it had so far and where we could be heading next in the coming weeks, as well as for this market cycle. Stay tuned.
Subscribe to watch more videos like this.
Hello friends, my name is Soham and I welcome you to Crypto Bulls Club, your one-stop destination for all the technical analysis and news from the world of cryptocurrencies. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. This will notify you with all the new videos that we release. And if you would like to join our Telegram channel, which is completely free of cost, you would get a lot of content there as well. If you want to join our premium channel, you can contact me. My Telegram is given in the pinned comments as well. Now let's jump on to the Bitcoin charts. So as we know that Bitcoin had a golden cross yesterday. For folks who do not understand, golden cross is when the 50-day moves above the 200-day simple moving averages. So the 50-day simple moving average is currently at about 46,126 and the 200-day moving average is about 45,900. But is this something that Bitcoin has done unexpectedly, or this was something that we are expecting? So let me tell you that these moving averages are nothing but the average of the price for the last few days. For example, that 50 days tell us where was the average price for Bitcoin in the last 50 days, and the 200-day also tells us that where the Bitcoin price was approximately 200 days from now. So what we can do is we can do a quick measurement and try to understand why this is something that is not at all surprising. So we had the golden cross on the Bitcoin yesterday, and if we go back 50 days from here, what we can see is basically that we are actually replacing the prices that were there on the 27th of July. So on 27th of July, approximately the price of Bitcoin was at about 39,500 and the lowest was 36,400. And yesterday the price was at about 48,400 and the low was at around 46,000. So we were actually replacing these candles with about $36,000 to $39,000 with a candle which has ranged from $46,000 to $48,000. So this is an increasing line, right? So this line right here, the blue line, is a 50-day simple moving average. So we are actually replacing the prices 50 days ago, that is on 27th of July, with the prices of yesterday that was at around $46,000. Now if we do a simple calculation about the 200-day as well, we'll get the similar aspects as well, why the 200-day is actually coming down. From yesterday we do a simple calculation of 200 days and where we arrive is on the date of 28th of February. So on the 28th of February, the price of Bitcoin was approximately around the same range. 46,671 was the highest. So you can see that this line is gradually flattening out because that the price we are on today is more or less on the similar range as well. So these are some of the things that we should keep in mind, and we should not get too much excited about the golden cross or the death cross for that matter as well. But what has happened in Bitcoin for the last few times we had the golden cross? Let's do a quick analysis of that as well, because on our channel, on our Telegram channel, we had mentioned that we can expect a few days of small pullbacks and then probably we could be shooting higher from there. Now if we go back to history, what we can see is the last time we had a golden cross was back in May of 2020 when the Bitcoin price was approximately at about $10,000, and after the golden cross, which approximately happened on the 20th of May, we got a few pullbacks, right? We got a few pullbacks, then ultimately we went from the $10,000 to straight to $65,000 as well. Prior to that, we got a golden cross in February 2020, but this was a kind of a black swan event that followed in March. So we had a death cross immediately. That means the 50-day came below the 200-day. Prior to that, we had the golden cross back in 2019 April on the 22nd of April approximately, and after that we got a small pullback of approximately about 14 or 15% pullback, which brought Bitcoin to the lows of about $5,000, and from there we went on to making the new high of about $13,000 as well in June of 2019. So if we look further left on the chart and try to figure out prior to 2019 when was the last time we had the golden cross, we have to go as back as 2015. In 2015 we got a golden cross in October, and after the golden cross there was a small pullback. Then we went for a rally and made the new all-time highs of about $20,000 in December 2017. So what I generally feel is that there are a couple of things. Number one, the golden cross is the bullish indicator. People are going crazy that okay, Bitcoin is now heading straight to $100,000. But according to me, what I feel is this week was anyways expected to be a green week, right? If you refer our earlier videos, we have said multiple number of times that this week was gonna be a green week, and green week it has been so far, right? If we go to the weekly chart, you'll be able to see that quite clearly that we opened the week at around $46,000, and yeah, currently we are trading at around 47,650, right? So this week was expected to be green, but it is the next week which is very, very crucial. According to me, the next week is when we have the contracts, expiry for the future for the quarterly time frame, right? That is due on the 24th of September. That is the last Friday of the month. And if we go back to the 2013 market cycle, we can see that the last week of September was also red. So that is something that we are keeping a close eye on. For the next couple of weeks, what we can expect is a bit of correction in the market. We can go as low as probably testing the 20-week simple moving average. That is always on the cards. But if we get a jump from there, probably we may be seeing new all-time highs coming in October and November. Mind you, if Bitcoin goes below the 20-week simple moving average and stays there for about 2 or 3 weeks, or probably a bit more than that, then we can expect another cool off period of about 3 to 6 months. That was on the cards as well. So the next couple of weeks is very, very important. The Bitcoin dominance is gaining attraction. It is gaining some momentum. Probably if the market has to top out in this year itself, then probably this is the last month which could be a red month as well. If we go to the monthly charts, what we can see is this month has just turned to a green month. You can see right here the opening was at about 47,100. If we close below that, probably it could be a red month. But if we are gonna have all-time high for Bitcoin this year, then probably this month could be a red month, and probably the last red month on the cards of 2021, and we can see huge gains for Bitcoin in the coming future. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. These are my personal opinions. Please do your research before investing, and in your research you can consider our video or the discussion that we have on our Telegram channel as a resource as well. So if you like the content, please smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon, and also share this video with your friends and family and give them the opportunity to learn and earn from crypto as well. So stay blessed, stay happy, take very good care of yourself. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.